Welcome to our channel, Consult Kriba, enlightening and empowering entrepreneurs. We regularly share the exports opportunities for different products and different markets. In this video, we will see the latest 5 export opportunities for Indian manufacturers and suppliers sourced from FIO. To receive the latest updates on exports and exports opportunities, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to receive all the notifications. The first opportunity is from Bulgaria. Bulgarian company, specialized in import and distribution of fast-moving consumer goods, such as confectionery, chocolates, and snacks, is now looking for producers of confectionery products for long-term cooperation. The Bulgarian company is willing to enter a distribution or commercial agency agreement. The second opportunity is from Italy. Top Italian manufacturer of electrical components for lighting seeks regular supplier of high-quality LED drivers. The producer of electrical components for traditional lighting is looking to complement its own range with a suite of high-quality and reliable LED drivers from new suppliers. The Italian manufacturer is willing to enter a distribution and manufacturing agreement. The third opportunity is from Poland. The company from northeastern Poland provides professional pool tables, offering them both to individual and business clients. The company is looking for producers of billiard tables and producers of natural wood lighting. The Poland company is willing to enter a distribution contract or manufacturing agreement. The fourth opportunity is from the United Kingdom. The UK-based new manufacturing business, formulating cosmetic gels with an acetic acid base and the malic acid base, is seeking an eco-friendly packaging supplier. The company is willing to enter a supplier agreement. The final opportunity is from Slovenia. The leading manufacturer of agricultural machinery in Slovenia is selling its product worldwide. They are looking for suppliers of hydraulic cylinders and gears for their gearbox at their tractors. The company is willing to enter a manufacturing agreement. If you like the video, hit the like button. Share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel. To know more about us and our services, visit our website www.consultkriba.com.